Hello, and thanks for joining me back out here in the garden. We've been experiencing a typical, unusual Oklahoma winter with unseasonably warm days followed by extreme cold temperatures. Well, we've been taking advantage of those warm days by getting out in the garden and getting it prepared for another season. Also, we've been planning our next season of Oklahoma gardening. We are going to continue to bring you each week gardening inspiration and information. A few of the themes that we're looking at doing this year is going to include how gardening can help you maintain a healthier lifestyle. We're also going to be looking at some creative container combinations as well as be bringing you new plants. We'll also be looking at a post-construction landscape as it goes from construction all the way to a beautiful landscape. And of course, we'll be traveling the state to bring you home gardens as well. So let's get gardening. We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.